Morning children, I am Mrs. Leena Menon, class teacher of KG1C. Today is Saturday, so I am going to show you one video, and today's topic is cleanliness. Children, cleanliness is very important in our life. Not only we should keep our body clean, but we should also keep our surrounding clean to stay fit and healthy. So I am going to tell you one story.
Today we will go to Minnie's house. One of our friend Minnie, for so many days she is not coming to school. So let's go and find out why she is not coming to school, whether she is not well, if she is not keeping well. Let's go and find out, okay? Hello ma'am. See, this is Minnie's mama. Hello ma'am, I am Minnie's teacher. I have just come to meet Minnie. Why she is not coming to school? Ma'am, she is not well. Why? What happened? She is not keeping well. She is having stomach ache. Her legs are paining. Ma'am, can I meet Minnie? Yes. See, this is Minnie. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Minnie. What happened? Why are you not coming to school? You're not keeping well? No, ma'am. Why? What happened? Ma'am, my stomach is aching. My legs are paining. Oh, why? What happened? Come, children. Let's see why Minnie is not keeping well. We'll go and see her surroundings. We'll see her parts of the body, whether she is keeping her parts of the body clean or not. Okay?
See, Minnie's room is so dirty. All the things are scattered here and there. She will not even find her books, her compass, her pencils and crayons. Isn't it? Now see her nails. Her nails are so dirty. When Minnie is eating with these hands, she falls ill because all the germs that are inside her nails go inside her stomach. Now see, her clothes, her hands and legs are also very dirty. She don't wash her hands. She is not wearing clean clothes. See, Hannah, her legs are also dirty. Oh my God, Minnie is having toothache. Why? Because she doesn't brush her teeth properly. That is why her teeth are aching. Oh, Minnie, you want to go to the doctor? Now let's see her hairs. Oh my God, Minnie, your hairs are so dirty. You don't brush your hair. You should brush your hair properly. See, so much of dirt is there in your hairs. So Minnie, you have to take care of yourself to be neat and tidy. So Minnie said, okay ma'am, I'll brush my teeth properly. Minnie brushes her teeth twice a day. She is brushing in the morning, and then before going to bed, she is brushing her teeth with toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay, then such a beautiful nails. See, she is cutting her nails with nail cutter, and see, her hands are also so clean. Very good, Minnie, very nice. You are a very good child. Then Minnie says, ma'am, now I take my bath with soap and water. See, Minnie is taking her bath daily, every day with soap and water, and she wears clean clothes. Isn't it? You should always wear clean clothes. And Minnie, see, she is having such a beautiful hairs because she is combing her hairs properly. Hai she combs her hair properly. She washes her hairs properly. Okay. Now let's go and see Minnie's room. Oh, very good. Minnie, your room is so clean and tidy, and all the things are kept in a proper place. So children, you saw how Minnie kept herself and her room clean to stay fit and healthy. So you should also keep yourself clean, tidy, and even your room and your surrounding clean and tidy to stay fit and healthy. Now children, enjoy this song.
चुलबुली माँ, जब मुँह हाथ का हो ऐसा हाल तो क्या गंदे ना होंगे बाल? तभी धोना है सिर्फ मुँह हाथ नहीं, मुँह हाथ बाल। चलो अब खेलने चले। चले चुलबुली खेलने देखो, पेड़ के नीचे पहुँच गई। तभी अचानक कहीं दूर से उसने एक आवाज़ सुनी। कहाँ पे हो तुम छोटी चुलबुली माँ, जब मुँह हाथ का हो ऐसा हाल तो क्या गंदे ना होंगे बाल? मुँह हाथ और बाल भी धो लो चुलबुली।
So children, you saw how cleanliness is important in our day-to-day life. You have to keep your teeth, your nails, your hands, your legs, even your hairs neat and clean. Not only your body parts, your room, your surroundings should be clean to be fit and healthy.